Hi, I'm Louisa Sidbat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, I'm a new director, newly appointed to this company. I've been asked to sign off on a solvency resolution. How do I know if the company is solvent? So the answer to this question is a company is solvent if it can pay its debts as and when they become due and payable. This could be out of the operating cash flows of the company, but it's not restricted to that. It could relate to the company's ability to raise further funds through borrowings, through equity, and sometimes, especially in small and medium companies, the ability of its directors or shareholders to contribute additional funds. So, the company's financial situation would need to be looked at holistically as to whether it can pay its debts as and when they are due and payable, and if so, the company would be considered solvent.